Hi, my name is Caitlin Ogoe, and I am from Montrose High School. And this summer, I was fortunate enough to complete an internship at LASP, or the Laboratory for Atmospheric Space Physics. So my internship was 14 long weeks of coding training, which was super awesome. And I got to work alongside sophomores and juniors in college at LASP, since it's an offshoot of CU Boulder. And I learned a bunch of different coding languages, including C, C++, Python, and then some web languages like HTML and JavaScript. So a little bit about my daily routine, since the COVID made our internships just a little bit weird. I woke up every day and made a long 2-minute commute from my bed to my computer. So you can see back there, that little yellow pillow is my bed, and this beautiful piece of machinery is my computer. So I just, it was so long and complex for me to get from home to work every day. And then I opened everyone's new favorite app, Zoom, and logged on to a session every day and either went over a brand new concept or started an assignment or did a code review with my mentor. So just some examples of the assignments that I completed every day. They were about, either they would take a full day or sometimes up to a week to complete, and they were all in a variety of languages. We worked primarily in Python though, and one of my favorite ones was actually adding a singular button to a calculator. I worked in Tangent, and then every other intern in the internship alongside with me, they did a different button. So someone else did cosine, someone else did plus, and it was really awesome to see that kind of come together using Git and a few other really cool back-end services. We also did making a puzzle solver and a text organizer, which was really hard. And then the peak of it all, really, for the smaller assignments was a assignment where we tried to change an integer into a different data type, which sounds super simple, but it was in C, so it wasn't. And it took me forever, but it was really fun. So my final project, which came at the very end, took about 2 weeks and was called a dummy project, where we put together everything that we've learned over the span of our internship into one final project. So mine was actually a digification of my favorite algebra game as a child, which was Crypto, where you have a target number and 5 other numbers, and you have to use basic algebra to get to that target number. It was super difficult and super not polished at the end, but I was really proud because it was my final project and it worked, which was pretty surprising. So just some advice for future Pinterns. Be vocal about your struggles. I had a really hard time, voicing the fact that I was struggling. I thought everyone around me, all these college students, were just so much smarter, and I was never going to hit that level, so I shouldn't even bother. But I would always muster up my courage and come to my mentor, and he just wanted to see me succeed. The people around you want to see you succeed. So make sure that you're vocal when you're having issues, because people will help. Don't let frustration stop you. I know for me and a lot of my friends, sometimes when you hit that frustration block, it's kind of like, just give up. Like, it's over, you're not gonna get anything else out of it by the time that you're frustrated, so just be done with it. But a lot of the time, if you just take a nice deep breath, the answer is staring you right in the face. And then never say never. I kept telling myself I wouldn't learn C, I wouldn't learn JavaScript, I wouldn't finish my project, and I did. And of course, apply. Just apply. It's not that difficult to get a letter of recommendation. Talk to your favorite science teacher. They want to help you. Talk to someone in your community. They want to help you. So make sure that you apply. And then this is my thank you slide.